So today we are going to make this seamless transition in After Effects. This is completely easy. You have watched this seamless transition a lot in documentary videos. So let's figure out how to do this in After Effects. So we do have an image downloaded from Pinterest as an example. So we're gonna frame it. So this is our first frame. So I have adjusted it. So to make this transition, we need two scenes from the same image. So for that, we are gonna duplicate the image. And now we are gonna frame it in a different way. Suppose I want to highlight this logo from this image. So I just have to scale it and have it on focus. So this is the frame, and I'm going to readjust our first frame. It should be at this position right here. So we want the transition at this place. And now we have to make a new null object. And we are going to parent these two images to the null. And we are going to animate using this null. Okay, so this is our first keyframe, and we are going to end the transition right here. So another keyframe, but with a different position. So it should be from left to right. So if we watch this, it looks something like this. Okay, I have to readjust the position of the first image. So we will try to keep the B in the same position. So the B is at this place, so we have to take this a little bit left. A little bit left. So they are kind of in a similar position. And I'm gonna scale it a little bit more. No way. Okay. So this is our final transition done, and we're gonna make it. And let's press F9 to make this easy ease. And here we are going to make this. Okay. So you can make the graph look like this manually. And this is our final transition. So that was the transition that we made today. And I hope this might help you a little bit, or maybe a lot of bit. So make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Thank you.